What's going on, my friends? I have another traffic ad bar video that I would like to show you. Traffic ad bar has changed, and I want to show you this massive change that I've made, and you want to check out the change so you can go ahead and get that traffic to your opportunity. Stay tuned for extreme powerful training. Before you guys go to the training, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And another thing, I've got a software that you can actually join free, that you can actually brand yourself. I have a link below. It's called the Feedrya System. Hadn't been out since December the 21st. You guys will be the first one to get involved with it. Go ahead and join this opportunity. It will be big. You will thank me later. I'll see you guys on the video. What's going on, my friends? I gotta do a quick video just to let you know, since you've been a part of this channel for a pretty good while, I want to let you know the traffic ad bar system changed. The URLs that they used to have, where you could come in and you could use it as a referral link, and then you could be able to gain a lot of points for just using that referral link. Well, that link is they don't have that link anymore. So what we're gonna do, and this is something that I've been working on just in case this happened, this is the way you get traffic to your system and get points as well. You have to bring other members in. So this is what you want to do. You want to bring other members in, and the best method of bringing other members in, and I'll show you really quickly. I hope you can grasp this understanding, and if you do not, I can do a part 2 to it. So what you want to do is, you want to, I will have these lead capture pages below. I modified to make it work. You know, I got the 5 to 10 leads a day system, so I just added traffic ad bar in there. So, and I got 3 lead capture pages that you guys can have absolutely free. It's no charge no charge for stuff like this. But to actually operate this system, you have to have a Lead Leaps account. And you can use the free version of the Lead Leaps account, but you can use the paid versions. The reason why I say the paid version is better, if you upgrade within the 3-day window that it gives you, it's $19 a month. I missed that. I have to pay a little more. So what you want to do, and you get unlimited everything, and then you get 13 different spots you can advertise within the Lead Leap system with your traffic ad bar system. So this is what you're trying to do, and let me show you what's going on with the traffic ad bar. When you bring other people into the traffic ad bar system, just look at our referrals, your referrals. Look here, there's no email address, so you can't connect with them. So this is what goes on in the traffic ad bar system. When you bring in referrals in and you educate them to do the same thing that you do, you acquire points. And when you acquire points from your referrals surfing and bringing leads in, you move up the tree. But let me tell you something, when you are bringing leads in, or you trying to do things you have to kind of pay it forward. Everybody walks in the door, do not have any kind of background. So you have to kind of set up a system that helps them to go forward. If you don't want to do that, you can ask them to join my group. I will have a tutorial on setting up all of this inside my group. And I will show you guys how to do it. But the first thing you want to do is, you want to market this page right here. This page, either this page, that page, or this page. And eventually you get to what you call a doorway page. This is what you call a doorway page. The doorway page explains everything, and you can have access to this. If you want to use me and just replace your affiliate URL in these slots, we can do that, and I'll have the tutorial on that inside the Facebook group. So what you want to do is go here and join traffic ad bar if you hadn't, or join Lead Leads, and then this is my Facebook group, and I'll make sure I update these share codes so you're getting these particular lead captures. You can use the same lead captures. It's not a lot of people out there that's using those capture page, because I just modified to make it work. And then you're going to get to this right here. This is an extremely powerful system. So someone asked me, can you create a tutorial on how to do this? All you guys doing is right click, creating a page, and then what you want to do is, let's just use this easy traffic builder. I created an account for that. Once you create an account for easy traffic, let me look and see where I put the easy traffic. What it is, I created a free Gmail account and I put all of those accounts in here. Here's the easy traffic builder right here. So what it is you have to come in, because you got to realize this is a free system. This is a free system. You have to come in and you have to, like the easy traffic builder. Let's go back to that page. You have to come in and you have to surf every day. Come in and click for credits. When you click for amount of credit, then you can email them your offer. Guys, this is what happened when you're dealing with the free world. Let me tell you something. If you're committed to really being successful online, if you could commit to 1 hour a day of doing this to various sites, you could bring in 5 to 10 leads every single day. That's all you have to do. But what you will have to do in this, and I just want to explain this to you, this is what I did. For example, to make these go inside their box, I created a label. I went create a label. So it's going to come up, my bad, create a new label right here. So let's just do test label. This is what you're going to do. So I created a test label. All right. Once you create a test label, what you do is, once that email come in after you done made your account, once that email come in, you click here, and then you see these dots right here. You go right here and you create a filter message. And this is what you do. You go right here, and then you find that test label, this test label that we have right here. You go right here, and then you click skip the inbox, never send it to spam, always do that. And what happened when you create this filter, every last one of your messages, I'm just using this example, every last of those accounts will go in there just like that. And if you don't quite understand it, I went too fast, just get with me. I'll show you how to do that. But that's what you want to do. And then in each day, you come in and you click for traffic. Now, I want to show you this really quick. I want to make this video really quick because I've got to go. Right here, this is join VM Pay Daily. This system here helps you to put all of your safe lists that on your list inside a system where you can click for credits really fast. Look at there. You can click for credit absolutely fast. You need to take a look at this. But I'm just saying, this is what you're doing to get your traffic ad bar system doing. Number 1, join traffic ad bar. Number 2, join these autoresponders, this lead leap system. And then what you're going to do is, once you start getting the emails for the people who actually join the traffic ad bar, or where you ever advertise all this from, then you can convince them to join the traffic ad bar, and then you can market these URLs in the traffic ad bar. You know, I got a couple tutorials that talk about links are not they're canceling out links and stuff. They never cancel lead leads link. Lead links make it through the system at traffic ad bar. So this is the things that you need to do to get going, because if you do not have the leads that come in your system, you can't connect with them. You can't get the extra points to push you up the tree. So you need to get these people, get them into an autoresponder, and then connect with them. Yeah, that's what you want to do. And what I like about the lead lead system is unlimited autoresponder. And let me tell you something about these guys that was so impressive to me. You won't be able to spam their system. They get once they get a spam complaint from people or whatever like that, they will send you a message. In that particular account, not your whole account, but that email listing, they will just suspend that account. So I'm just trying to tell you, for $19 a month, you cannot beat this system. Aweber, as you go up to 1,000 or 1,500 or whatever, they charge you more. This is a complete powerful system with lead capture page, and they provide traffic as well. And there's a lot of people within this realm of an organization. So guys, you need to take a look at that. But if you want to really boom your traffic ad bar system, you will take upon this opportunity and really push forward and bring people into your system. And like I said, you use these lead capture pages, and then I'll have some messages that you can use to go along with that. I will provide that to you as well. So guys, I hope this video was informative to you. So I hope they can help you out so we can get back going to the traffic ad bar system. And one more thing, I checked Traffic Hoopla the other day. Hoopla, if I'm not pronouncing it right, they're still number 1. And Lead Leaps is number 2. So that's why we're kind of combining those together. You can really bring traffic and you can really bring leads to your business if you stay focused and go forward. Guys, take care. I'll see you on the next video.